This conference will now be recorded.
In this video, I will show you the best IDE to practice your Python programs, which is nothing but PyCharm IDE. It is the best IDE to practice your Python programs, to debug your programs, to understand how the statements are going to be executed, to understand the flow of the program also. This is the best IDE. Let me show you how to install PyCharm IDE for Windows 10 operating system. Click on the first one. JetBrains is the company developed this PyCharm IDE. Click on that. You can find two versions. One is a professional and community. By default, these two are for Windows operating system. If you want Mac OS, you can click on this. For Linux, you have to click on Linux. To practice Python programs, it is not suitable. It is a free trial only for a period of time. After that, you are supposed to pay. Then click on the download button of community version. Lifetime free it was. Once you click on that, on the bottom of the window, you can see PyCharm community version is going to be downloaded in your computer. I'm going to stop this process because already I downloaded this software. Go to the downloads. You can see PyCharm community. Double click on this. Let me close this window. It takes some time to download actually. In the meanwhile, I will show you something. It takes some time. It is asking me, do you want to allow this app to make changes? Click on yes. Installation has been started. This is the destination folder where you can find your PyCharm community edition. Don't change. Click on next. Create desktop shortcut. Yes, I want desktop shortcut. Add bin folder to path. And if you want, you can enable this one also. Don't enable this one, not required. Click on next. Click on install. The process has been started. In the meanwhile, several students are asking me, without installing any kind of software in my computer, is there any chance to practice Python programs? N number of compilers are available. N number of compilers are available. Let us open the browser and you can type onlinegdb.com. So this is a online compiler to practice Python programs. Here you have to select the language. Python 3 I'm going to select. So by default one program came. If you want to run this program, this part is a documentation string. For that program, click on run button. On the bottom of the window, you can see the output of this program. As you know, print is used to print something. If I want to remove the total program, I just want to practice some basic program. Welcome to Pawan Software Training Center. Print subscribe to my YouTube channel Programming by Pawan. Print follow me on my Instagram. Follow me on my Instagram, and my Instagram ID is Pawan Madhu. And you can reach me on my mobile number 70130888104. Multiple print statements. You can click on run. You are going to see the output of the program. So without installing any Python software, you can practice your Python programs. Now close this window. Let me see installation is completed or not. Almost completed. 90% almost completed. We will wait for another 1 minute. Generally, these type of programs, we may call it as it's a program on a concept of the loop control statement. Most of the students will get confused in understanding the flow. In which step what is the n value, in a step what is the t value, so what is the d value. At each and every line I want to trace, I want to know the value of the variable, I want to understand the program, and I want to trace this program. Then PyCharm IDE is the best software to do tracing. So it is over, you are not required to reboot. Click on finish button. Created already one icon, shortcut icon, double click on that. For the first time, if you are opening PyCharm, it may take some time to open. Am I required to import the settings from previous installation or configuration? Not required. Don't import. Click on OK. For the first time, it will take some time, because it is going to create some environment to practice our programs. Now, what is this customize? If you want a color theme, I don't want this color theme, I want Windows 10 light. So you are going to get this color theme. If you select IntelliJ light, you are going to get this one. If you select a high contrast, you are going to get like this. So the best one is the Windows 10 light. Windows 10 light. IDE font size you can set here 16 I want. Projects, click on projects. For the first time you are practicing the Python programs, assume if you want to save all your Python programs in one folder, then you have to select a new project. That means you are going to create one folder where you are going to save all your Python programs. Already in my computer, I have several folders where I saved my Python programs. I'm not going to select this one. Let me select open. It is not in the C drive. My directories are there in D drive. The name of the directory is the Python new batch, PNB. Click on OK. Click on trust project. Loading our folder PNB. Select the file menu. Select the option open. In PNB, several programs are there. I'm going to select any one program. These tips are not required currently. Now you can see it is a program to find biggest among three numbers. So configure Python interpreter, it is asking. Click on this interpreter settings. We need to configure interpreter. Click on this button, show all. Nothing to show. 1 minute. Click on plus button. Click on system interpreter. Click on system interpreter. Click on OK. Then this interpreter will come. Using this interpreter, your programs are going to be executed on PyCharm IDE. Click on OK. Then again click on OK. Now you could able to run your program. Here you have an option how to run. Click on run. On the bottom of the screen it is asking three values you are supposed to enter. First value 12, next value 25, next value some 9. It is going to print a bigger among three values. Biggest among three numbers is 25. So this is the way how to install your PyCharm. That's it.